I could just cut this out and no one would be the wiser. But I'm going to leave it in anyway while you watch me play with my hair. Give me a break. It's the most hair I've ever had in my life. I've always gone pretty much bald or shaved it myself because I dislike the effort of haircuts, keeping it nice, and then I just decided to forget it. I'm just gonna let it grow infinitely, and eventually when I get sick of it, I'll go cut it off or have the barber do it. But this time they won't chop it all off when I ask them just to clean it up. So there's that. But yeah, today's been all about what ended last night, late into the night, was about AI iteration, which I know a lot of you aren't using AI, but people in your teams probably do, so it's relevant. Well, you're not going to be using AI coding. I hope you're using ChatGPT, Gemini, a little bit of Claude. Those are most of the ones you need to know. Anybody who tells you use Perplexity or any other models besides what I would consider those three are just, they don't know what they're doing, or they don't know that the others have the same features, and so they should probably stop. But yeah, when it comes to coding in software like VS Code, one of the things I found lately is it's really annoyed me with it. I fixed this error, now go try. Then it's broken. So then I find another error and I tell it, it's like, oh, I fixed that error, try again. It's all fixed, I swear. Another error. What I have learned is you need to wire everything so the AI can test all endpoints itself. Every single function, every single call, every single thing needs to have an external endpoint for your AI to contact directly, then tell it to fix the problem. And if it can't figure it out or it can't access it, tell it to put in the functionality it needs to fix it. I've been fighting with AI for a week on false positives on one of the projects I'm just screwing around on. One of my passion projects is just, I just got obsessed with rebuilding TruffleHog/Git leaks on my own, just for the fun of it. And one of the things I've suffered with is false positives. The AI is so close and it starts discovering just dictionary words or random strings as secret keys, and this is not. So I finally got it most of the way figured out, and then it wasn't working. And I went through an entire 8-hour period while building the quant and the Popeye map server on my own Gmail. I just kept arguing with it. And finally, I said, rewrite everything so you can see all endpoints and test yourself. And oh my goodness, it made hundreds of lines of code change. Then it ran for 2 hours, sentiently rebuilding itself. That would have taken me a week for what it did, which is how I would describe most coding. But it was so nice. Now it's done. Like, it's not just like good, it's amazing. Like, it's 10 times better than I could have made it by hand. So I did learn about something. I was trying to detect plain words inside keys and codes, because you're not supposed to have the word like your key here, as that follows a dictionary. Well, there's apparently keys, randomness, entropy. So you can scan for entropy and determine if a key or a string is random enough. But you can also use some kind of matrix, Markov matrix, I think, that can essentially determine how likely a word is English based on the frequency of certain 2- and 3-letter pairs. And very few randomnesses create specific 2- or 3-letter pairs in the same string. And it got that pretty good too. Like, I can mathematically determine if a word is an actual English word as opposed to having a billion-word list that it has to dig through. It's so much nicer. So yeah, that's been my projects for the last couple of days. Getting ready to just start launching things. I've got ACAP is doing really good. We're trying to bang through that. Got some interested parties in Austin, hoping to work with. And then, I don't know, I need vacation. So, okay, until next time.